Hey there, this is Coach Mike Doretta with a quick video on how to use the Infinite Man online community. All the information you'll need about the online community is located right here on the main menu, or here under the Online Community tab. On the Online Community page, you can see that your subscription has three parts: Summit recordings, the coaching forum, and the group coaching calls and replays. This link will take you to the list of Infinite Man Summit recordings that you have access to. Here is information about the coaching forum, which is hosted on Discord. Click here to download the application. You can also get it on mobile. And here are the instructions on how to use the forum. This video will show you how to use the Discord server, and this link will take you right to the server. Here is the information about the group coaching calls. This information may change, so check back here every once in a while. If you are a community access member, you are not able to join the coaching calls, but you can see some of the replays below. If you are a coaching or priority access member, you will have a link to join the Zoom meetings. Clicking this link on a computer or mobile should take you to a page where you can download the Zoom software. Clicking the link again should automatically take you into the meeting. You can also dial into the meeting using this number here. Keep in mind, this is not a toll-free call, so you're going to want to use Wi-Fi whenever possible. So that was where to find the Summit recordings, how to access the private coaching server, and how to join the group coaching calls. But before you leave, go check out the separate video I made about how to use the Discord server. After that, I'll see you online.